nag-virtual assistant ka, don't make these 10 beginner mistakes. 1. Hindi nagbabasa ng instructions. Super basic, pero madalas nakakalimutan. 2. Poor communication. Di mo kailangan perfect English. Just be clear and responsive. 3. Walang follow-up. If may pending task or update, i-follow up mo yan. 4. Hindi nagre-research. Lahat ng sagot nasa Google. Best. 5. Palaging late mag-submit. On-time delivery builds trust. 6. Using casual language sa client. Keep it professional, kahit relaxed lang yung tone. 7. Walang backup tools. Alamin mo na yung mga Canva, Notion, Google Workspace. 8. Ghosting. Kung may emergency, always inform the client. 9. Taking too many clients agad. Chill muna. Quality over quantity. 10. Wala kang clear niche. Mahirap i-market sarili mo kung lahat gusto mo gawin. Ayusin mo to from the start and you'll grow faster as a VA. Anong mistake ang na-experience mo na?